Hello, I am Abose and I'm on a journey to explore different African historical places. Today, we are at National Museum of Unity, Ibadan, to explore, to see the beautiful things we have here, to eat Amala Museum, and lots more.
So would you love to explore with me? Explore with me. Let's go.
National Museum of Unity is located in Dugbe-Aleshinloye area, Ibadan. And trust me, it's a very good place to be. It's educating, inspiring, and it harbors culture and artifacts across the Yorùbá, Igbo and Hausa tradition. Firstly, the museum is filled with different historical artifacts, a whole lot of things that will remind you of your identity, that will connect you with your language and your culture, your cultural practices. And trust me, you will so much enjoy this experience. By the side, there is woodland, the forest experience, where you can have your picnic, your gathering, your outings. Also, there is a playground for children where you can bring your children and your family to enjoy themselves. By the side, there is a craft shop where you get to see a whole lot of beautiful indigenous items that you can buy. And should in case you are hungry, Amala Museum is there for you. This is me eating Amala Museum because by the time we were done with the whole activity, we were so tired, we were hungry, and we needed to eat. Alright, so here are other things you need to know about National Museum of Unity.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
My name is Abose. Can we meet you, ma'am?
Okay, I'm Mrs. Umokoro, Victoria.
I'm so glad to meet you today.
So glad to meet you too.
It's been so beautiful, awesome experience.
Hope you enjoy your tour.
I really enjoyed it.
It wowed you?
Yes.
Okay.
I wasn't expecting something that huge, so much like that.
We have much more.
Okay, ma. So we want to ask about the National Museum of Unity.
Okay.
I used to think it is just about Yoruba historical things.
Okay.
But getting here today, I realized that it's not just about Yoruba. We can find something.
Why we have the Unity National Museum of Unity Ibadan is encompassing things from the regional, the Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa. We have it just to give people knowledge of our culture and heritage.
Okay, I saw that there is unity in diversity.
Yes, unity in diversity, and we have things in common, especially when it has to do with music. You know, all the three regions, we have music, we enjoy music. It's a form of relaxation, form of entertainment. We have drums, we have shakers, we have metal guns. We have it in Yoruba because our normal agogo. We play it in church, at events and functions. Then we have it in Igbo and other tribe. That makes us, you know, that makes us one. That we are one, makes us united. That, well, you might call it another name in your area, but there is a kind of relevance and similarities in culture.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
You are welcome.
Also, we want you to tell us about National Museum of Unity. What should people expect? People that are coming here, is it just the gallery that we have here, or are there other things that we can come here to see?
Okay, National Museum of Unity is a very good place to visit. You know, as you said earlier, it wowed you. You know, when people are coming, they are coming with different orientation, and on getting here at times, you say, oh yeah, when the guide is talking, we are tired. We didn't know you have so much in here and everything. Then I used to tell them, you are complaining. But our students in call that they have to tell, even we explain more to them, and people on research, when they come, like the way I took you, that's not the way I will take another person on research. I will talk more detailed information and everything. You know, here you are here for just relaxation. I won't want to bore you with much. But if you are on research, then we'll deep, we dig down. Then coming here, you can come with your children. We have play park. They can drive in, they will relax and all those. And we have another center there, the wood part, that natural habitat, that you just want, I want fresh air. I just don't want to be under canopy or in any restaurants. We have that. Then we have restaurants. After here, you want to eat, you want to take a drink, you want your pepper soup and everything, we have it. And we also, you can even come here to have your events, your wedding, your burial, your birthday. We have halls, then we have space that we give out to people. Then we have, you can have your party too under the tree, like your natural habitat, or like picnic. Yes, people come here for picnics, for birthday. They just put down their mats, have their drinks, their games. And once in a while, we organize events that will bring people together, maybe to play ayo and all those, palm wine and all those. Then you can drop your number once in a while. We can give you a call if we have any of those programs. If you show interest.
Yes, I would love to attend.
Yeah. So we have much more that you can think or imagine. It's a place to be.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
That may, at least it's different from, I want to go to the cinema. You know, we have the cinema, we have the mall. Here is outside the box and is educating, refreshing, and relaxing. Yeah.
All right, thank you so much,
You
Ma.
are welcome.
So I'd love to attend one of the events.
Okay, put down your number. We'll give you a call if you are having any of those events, just to be part of it. Then you tell your friends, your families, that come to museum is a place to be.
Yes.
At least any of the weekends. We open 10 to 4.
Okay. Saturday
10 to 5. Sunday 10 to 5.
Beautiful.
Yes, so any of those days, weekend, during the week, you can visit us, and you'll be glad you did.
All right.
Yeah.
And one more thing, can you tell us the prices? Maybe if you want to come to the gallery, or if you want to visit any other place.
For children, it's 500 naira.
Entry fee.
Entry fee.
Is it just for the gallery? Or?
For the gallery, entry fee 500 naira. Then for adults, 1,000 naira.
That's cheap. It's not too expensive.
Yeah, it's not too expensive. Then for the play park, is 1,000 naira per child to go in and have a good time.
Wow.
And I think for the wood area, I think it's 3,000 per person. But people come, have their picnic, have their parties, and have a good time. Everything is affordable. It's just, you know, when you go to cinema now, to watch film is now 6,000, I think.
Yes.
And with your popcorn, so it's a place to be, to really enjoy yourself.
Thank you so much,
You are welcome.
I would like to know, what is your position here? Are you like the director? Because we're not taking us around.
No.
And you were really accommodating. I enjoyed it.
Thank you so much. I'm an education officer. We are the Art of Museum. So when people come, we take them to the gallery to explain what is there in the gallery, what we have on display, our team and their region and what they are made of, whether it's clay, it's wood, it's ivory, is our work to do so. I'm an education officer, and my boss here is the deputy director, right sitting at our back, Mrs. Tinumbu. Then our account officer is Mrs. Tejumola, that has patiently been talking with you. Then our director is not deputy director, is not on ground. That's the curator of the station. So we are handful. At any time you are here, you have people on ground, Monday to Sunday, between 10 to 4 during the week, then 10 to 5 weekend to attend to you.
All right, thank you so much.
You are welcome.
And I saw amala.
Yes, amala. If you want to eat after your tour, amala to your right. Then to your left towards the car park, you can take your pepper soup, fish, bokoto, your stick meat, your beer, your malt, anything soft, Everything is there. Yes.
Amala Museum. So we are going to eat Amala Museum once we are done here.
Yes, yes,
All right.
yes.
Thank you so much, Ma. Your
Thank
name
you,
once
thank you.
again.
I'm Mrs. Umukoro Victoria.
Thank you so much, Mrs.
Thank you
Umukoro
having you.
Victoria.
Thank you, thank
And
you.
to everyone, we are saying a very big thank you. You
You
are
are
really
welcome.
accommodating, and we enjoyed our stay here.
You are
Thank you so
welcome.
much,
Thanks
Ma.
for the feedback. Yeah, thank you.